everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to do a fun and easy lunch. We are going to do pigs in a blanket using little smokies. So let's go ahead and get started. I washed my hands, I've cleaned my surface. You'll need a can of biscuits and a package of little smokies and probably a rolling pin or something for rolling. Okay. Woo, there we go. Okay, we want to get these out here. So we're going to bigger rolling pin than it looked like. Okay, we're going to roll this out. Might have to put some flour on it because it's pretty sticky. But anyway, try to roll it out a little bit. And I forgot to get my knife real quick. And we're just going to make 4 sections here, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Then we're just going to take each of our little smokies and we're going to start rolling it up. Just like that. We want to put it on a parchment lined or aluminum foil on a baking sheet. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we're going to do this with each little smoky. Each biscuit, roll it out, slice it in 4. We're going to do this with each little smoky. Put this here. And I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing, so we will be back in just a moment. Okay, so I'm not done rolling them all up yet, but I had an idea. I love cheese. So if you guys want to put cheese with it, I just took some American cheese slices and I am just cutting them down and tearing them to fit the very bottom piece of the dough. And then just going to go ahead and roll it up. I'm not going to do that on all of them because not everybody likes it, I don't guess or think. So I'm just going to do some of these with some cheese and some without. And I wish I had some pepper jack cheese. That would be really good. But anyway, I just wanted to show that to you. I'm going to go ahead and finish these and then we will be back in just a second. Okay, so I got them all together. I got this half with cheese and this half without, but we're going to put it in our preheated 350 degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. We're just trying to get the biscuits done and the cheese will melt with it. So I'm hungry and excited about it. So we'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it came out. They all look really good. It actually took me about 21 minutes. So just, like I said, ovens vary, but I put it in there at 350 and just keep an eye on it. You just want to make sure the dough's done. You don't want to eat, doughy piggies. So I hope you guys try it. I hope you enjoy it. If you're enjoying the channel, please give me a like, a subscribe, share with your friends and family. And if you'd like to help support the channel, you could, I have a link down in the description for buymeacoffee.com. It's like a little tip jar. Totally optional. Always appreciated though. But I will see you guys soon. So I hope you guys get to make these. I forgot I was going to take a bite, wasn't I? Cheesy. I like that with a little smoky. Oh, I had a full biscuit left. So I took 2 hot dogs and I cut them in half and I rolled them in, the biscuit. Don't let anything go to waste. So anyway, like I said, I hope you guys get to make them and enjoy them. Leave me some comments. See you soon.